Today is the first episode of me locking myself in my room until I make $1 million. This is kind of a journey inspired by Jamie Robbins, but also this is my journey. I got my vision board. Where did it go? So, doesn't quite say $1 million on it, but that's what it is. $1 million. Because the business idea that I have, it's a bit like a seasonal thing. It's for sports, for ultimate frisbee. Very niche sport, and I'm working to change that. UFA is the Ultimate Frisbee Association, and I got big ideas for this, and I cannot tell you guys what the idea is because I don't have anything. I haven't even told like my grandparents or even people like my therapist. So it's very hush hush right now, and I'm gonna be slowly just revealing the steps I take along the process. Hopefully inspire you guys. And okay, so why am I doing this? I want to inspire people on their own journeys, and I'm also kind of just doing this for me because I want to like hold myself accountable. I want to take one step every single day, and I took a step today, which I want to share with you guys. I'm gonna be sharing a step that I take every single I'm gonna be telling you guys a step that I took every single day to hold myself accountable, even if it's just like a small step. Because like I heard like a motivational thing where it's instead of seeing like your big goals as like a wall, and if you're not there, you have not climbed the wall. Like it's just like these are your goals. Instead, it's lighter to see them as like a staircase, and even if it's like a 100-step staircase, 1,000-step staircase, and you just take one step every single day, it's gonna add up in like a year, in like 100 days, and there's like 100 steps, you're gonna be considerably closer to that goal, depending on how big your goals are or whatever. Got VS Code up. You guys can see that. Got my code. And then this isn't like going to be the actual website. I'm brushing up on my HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I didn't use hardly any AI for this. I used AI to like teach me kind of stuff, but I hardly used AI for this. If you guys don't know, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are like coding, basically. So this is like all my code, and I'm gonna be using Claude Design for a lot of what I'm gonna do, like the landing page. And so I was just brushing up on my HTML because I need to be able to like know where, because like sometimes when you're coding, the AI just cannot for the life of it fix its error, and sometimes when I start like looking at it on my own, it's obvious where the AI is going wrong. And so that's why I'm brushing up on my HTML. I think this took me like, honestly, this probably took me like an hour or two. But yep, it's got a lot of fundamentals that I actually wasn't very familiar with. Like it was pretty complicated, let's just say that. And the way that things are aligned on this, I'm kind of glad that I'm not going to be using just raw HTML to make my website. I'm going to be using a lot of AI, but because it's just like so much faster and like better in its own ways. But like the things you don't really notice on a web page if you're not like a web developer, things like getting the title in the top left and while still keeping this box in the center, and then keeping these things like this, and then like having gaps in between them, and having like, I don't know if those are the exact same margins, but it's just like so much stuff you usually overlook. Like when you look at this, it just looks like just like a poster, but there's just like so much that went into this, and I'm glad that I did it. This actually took me 2 days. Kind of lied, but I'm gonna be getting in the habit of doing these documentaries like every single day. I hope I inspire at least even like one person on their journey, and just by like sharing my own journey. Like I said, I'm mostly doing these videos for me, so I don't really mind how many views they get. That's about it. Just keep grinding.